Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get BMW M4 in Southwest Florida Roblox full guide. First, open the game and focus on earning cash quickly by doing the fastest jobs available, like taxi or delivery missions, then bank your money often. Check car dealers and private listings, compare prices, and negotiate trades if possible. Stay patient, avoid scams, and prioritize upgrades that increase earnings so you can afford the BMW M4 faster. In this video, I will explain how to get BMW M4 in Southwest Florida Roblox full guide. Focus on the highest paying activities and stack any available cash boosters to speed up progress, then combine short missions with longer hauls to keep earnings consistent. Trade lower value items for cash only if it speeds progress, and always check auction houses for underpriced vehicles you can flip for profit. Consistency beats one big score every time. In this video, I will explain how to get BMW M4 in Southwest Florida Roblox full guide. Quick recommendation: if you're grinding for hours, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle I used while testing tips here, and it makes those long sessions much easier. If this video helped, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to get BMW M4 in Southwest Florida Roblox full guide. Keep an eye on car dealer spawn timers and refresh areas where rare cars appear, and use community trade channels to spot private listings early. Prepare offers in advance so you can purchase instantly, and verify vehicle condition before finalizing trades. If you lack cash, consider safe buy-sell flips to raise funds while watching the market closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.